Castigate is a verb that means to criticize or reprimand someone severely, often with the intent of correcting their behavior or actions. It conveys a sense of strong disapproval and is typically used in formal or serious contexts. Origins of castigate. The word comes from the Latin castigare, meaning to chastise or to purify, derived from castus, pure, and agere, to drive. Initially, it referred to the idea of making someone or something morally or behaviorally pure through correction. It entered the English language in the 17th century and has retained its strong corrective connotation. How to use castigate. Castigate is often used when someone is being sternly reprimanded for a fault, mistake, or wrongdoing. It is particularly fitting in situations involving formal or authoritative criticism. Example sentences: the coach castigated the players for their lack of effort during the game. The politician was castigated in the press for failing to keep their campaign promises. Her boss castigated her in front of the entire team, leaving her humiliated. Fiasum, similar words. Reprimand, to formally express disapproval. Rebuke, to sharply criticize someone for their actions. Admonish, to warn or reprimand someone gently or earnestly. Chastise, to criticize or punish severely. Nuances of castigate. The word castigate is stronger and more formal than terms like scold or reprimand. It often implies not just correction, but a moral judgment about the person's actions. While its tone can be harsh, it also suggests an underlying intention to improve or reform the subject's behavior. Cultural and literary usage. Castigate is a powerful word frequently found in literature, speeches, or formal critiques where strong disapproval needs to be conveyed. It often appears in contexts involving authority, figures such as teachers, leaders, or critics. In essence, castigate encapsulates the weight of serious and often public criticism, reflecting the balance between disapproval and the hope for correction or improvement.